In this episode of Teslacam Stories, it's all about people showing love on Tesla Sentry Mode.
Wham, bam, Teslacam, I hope you're satisfied.
This video sent in by Mr. Levizzle shows a guy giving the Tesla family thumbs up and showing Sentry Mode that he parked far away so as not to ding this parked Tesla. This video was sent in by Overridden197. He says it makes him feel happy when he sees admirers like these, especially in his little village in France, and that he hopes to see more and more EVs around. He also says that if you wait for him next to his car or leave your number on the Sentry Mode cameras, he'd be happy to show his Tesla to any fans and take them for a drive. Smile, you're on Tesla's Sentry Mode camera. This video from Marius Pop shows someone who seems to know what Tesla Sentry Mode is, and it looks like he's doing his best to activate it. What he doesn't seem to realize is that it's already activated and recording everything he's doing. This video was sent in by Bladery, who had left his Model 3 long range parked when this happened. He says that he's sorry that his Tesla was so disgustingly filthy for the photos, but he's thankful that they were so respectful. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Well, this clip from Lori Marrow shows a guy who understands exactly how Tesla Sentry Mode works. This video from Ganas138 shows his Model 3's Sentry Mode capture two guys trying to take a selfie with his car. This clip from Simon Spies in Italy shows a drunk man who seems to be trying really hard to activate Sentry Mode. We've got to say, we're really impressed by these moves. We'll just let you admire them. See you next Sunday. Please like, share, and subscribe. New episodes released every Sunday.